Hi everyone, in today's short video I'll show you how to create a backlink from this domain. So let's get into it. But first, here's an example on how it will look. Basically it's a site builder, so you'll be able to add as much content as you want, as well as images. You can even embed here a map at the end, and have here your NAP, your name, address and phone number for extra relevancy. And let's go here to the link, inspect, and we'll see it's a Dofollow link. So how can we get, in fact, this link from this domain? Super simple. First step is to go to site123.com and then click on Start Here. Then we do business, then your business name. Let's do John Plumbing Company, John's Plumbing Company. Then your name, John, then just a trash email, and then a password, then start my website. Then you can click out this tutorial, and here is your site. Again, super simple. You can now start adding content and adding links. This is a pre-built website, so it's pretty straightforward. Now, if you want to add a custom domain so that you're able to have your keyword in the domain, here's how to do it. You go to domain, and as you can see here, your temporary subdomain is this one. So a bunch of numbers and characters .site123.me. If you want to keep this, you can. The site will still be live, just like this one right here. I had to hide the domain because this is a client site. But if you want to have a custom domain, you can do so by choosing it here. And this will have your anchor or a keyword in the URL. You can do .eu, .com, .net, whatever it is, it's available and you can register it after. And that's it. Super straightforward. A quick link you can get, again, from a site that has, from a domain that has a trust flow 40 and a citation flow 55. We can even check it on Moz. It's not loading for me, I'm not sure why. Let me just double check again if I can log in, and I can log in, yes. And let's just do this, and DA89. So you get a link from this as a subdomain, which is always great. I mean, this is not the link that will rank you #1, it's not at all. But you guys are always asking for links like this, and I guess I'll keep on providing them. This was not found by me. This was found from a group member. I think it's Andres. I'm not really sure. I need to double check. But yeah, it's a great link. I didn't find it myself, but if you want to get it, it's a good one to have if you want to diversify your link portfolio and build a link with this sort of metrics. Yeah, thank you so much. I guess I might as well plug Vetted. So if you need any digital marketing services, you can of course go to Vetted. Vetted is of course my marketplace. It's taking a bit to load, but we have a bunch of services now. This one's currently populated by Tony. He's a great guy, but we have a bunch of services here. Like I said, we're just getting started, so there's not yet a lot of services here, but there are a couple which are great. And of course, if you have any questions in regards to any of the services, you can always get in touch with me or any other seller on here. That's it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.